Precision advantages of a CNC machining center with automatic tool changery. Our new CNC machining center with an automatic tool changer ATC is a significant upgrade. Its key precision advantages are not from the tool change itself, but from how ATC enhances process stability and guarantees final part accuracy. Here are the core benefits. 1. Eliminates human error for consistent tool setting. Manual vs. ATC manual tool changes introduce variability, inconsistent tightening force, potential contamination, or operator error, all leading to tool runout and inaccuracy. ATC advantage. The ATC performs every tool change with identical programmed motions. It ensures perfect, repeatable tool positioning in the spindle by consistently cleaning the taper, gripping, and locking each time. This removes random human errors, guaranteeing superior tool holding rigidity and minimal runout. 2. Enables complete machining in a single setup. Manual bottleneck. Complex parts requiring milling, drilling, and tapping must be interrupted for manual tool changes, introducing potential errors from machine thermal shifts or part stress relief. ATC advantage. The machine can automatically change tools and complete all operations in one continuous cycle without removing the part. This is critical for precision because it maintains a single datum. The workpiece remains fixed, avoiding cumulative errors from refixturing. Guarantees geometric relationships. It reliably ensures high positional accuracy between features, holes, slots, surfaces on a part. 3. Ensures batch consistency and process stability. ATC advantage. For batch production, ATC ensures the entire process, including tool changes, is perfectly repeatable from the first to the thousandth part. This guarantees high consistency in dimensions and tolerances across the entire production run, which is difficult to achieve with manual intervention. 4. Supports optimized machining strategies. ATC advantage. ATC allows for dedicated roughing and finishing tools. The finishing tool remains sharp and unaffected by roughing wear, directly producing better surface finish and tighter tolerances. It also enables in-process probing and automatic tool compensation for adaptive control. In summary, the key precision advantages are high repeatability, consistent tool positioning, low error accumulation. One setup machining prevents error stacking. High process stability removes human variables. Superior process capability enables optimal finishing strategies. This new machine will provide customers with more precise mold manufacturing services.